Hello guys, my name is Samruddhi Poddar and welcome to my channel. Now we are going to find a factorial of a number. So let us start. First of all, we are going to include header file stdio.h. After that, we will use void main. In void main, we will declare the integer n, which is the number of which we are going to find the factorial. After that, we will enter the value of n from the user. Enter the value of n. Okay. After that, we will scan up the same, that is value of n. Okay. After that, I'm using the method of function, that is recursion function. Using recursion function, we are going to find the factorial of a number. So we have to use a function that is factorial, and I'm using the parameterized function. So to use this factorial function, we have to first declare it. So I will keep the return value of this function as integer, because we have to return integer value, as you will see in the next session, this session only, but in the next steps. Okay, now this note that this is function declaration, and what I'm going to do is the function definition. Okay, so in this function we will define. Okay, then general concepts of the factorial, that is 1 factorial is equal to 0. Also 0 factorial is also 1. Sorry, its value is 1, not 0. 1 factorial is 1 and 0 factorial is 1. So I'm putting one condition here. If n is equal to 1 or n is equal to 0, return 1. Okay. In else part, if n is greater than 1, then if n is greater than 1, then we have to declare one variable named as fact, integer fact, or any name you can give, but it is related to the factorial. So its fact is equal to n star factorial. Here we have used the factorial function again. So it is called as recursive use of the function. So it is factorial n minus 1. So here we use the concept that is, you know very well, that n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 factorial, that is n minus 1 factorial. This concept is used over here. So again, that this value we have to return which thing? Return fact over here for this condition, that is n is greater than 1. Okay. But if we compile this thing and also run this thing, run this thing, it will run, but it won't print anything. Why? Because we have not used printf for the answers. So we are declaring one variable, that is answer, and assigning the value of factorial n to the answer. So, and also printing one statement, that is, note that I always use new line two times in the printf statement because it will print suitably on the black screen. So the factorial of person d is person, sorry, d, and here first person d refers to the n, second d person d refers to the answer. One thing I forgot over here is we have to initialize factor is equal to the 1. Why 1? Because if we make it 0, then this value will be 0 and it won't get sufficient thing. So we have to make it initialized to the 1. It can't be 0, it should be 1 only. Okay, remember this thing. So compile the same and run the same. So enter value of n is 2. Okay, factor of 2 is 2. Yes, it's correct. After that, we will check again. That it's okay. And value of n, if it is 5, it should be 1. Yes, it is 120. Okay, thank you.